ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. My dear friends, my dear masters and my dear gods. We are again here, assembled on the occasion of the Buddha Purnima. A few people are here in the Pyramid Valley, but this is happening in the consciousness of millions of people. Because of the times that we are in, we cannot move out of the home. And we don't have to move out of the home. We can happily stay in our own respective homes and be connected with the whole of the universe, whole of the cosmos, whole of the PSSM, whole of the group of other meditators. That's what is going to happen for the next 3 days. Today is 23rd May, tomorrow 24th, day after tomorrow 25th, and 26th May up to midnight, 12 o'clock, we are having our celebrations. That is all pool our energy resources. That is all pool our intentions for a speedy recovery of the whole earth. The earth planet is crying because of the wholesale massacre of its children, animals, birds, fish. The earth mother is crying. What is the humanity doing to their own younger brothers? The elder brother is massacring, killing all the younger brothers. The human being is killing all the animals, birds and fish. The mother is the same for all the children. The mother earth is crying. So, we all have to buck up ourselves to see that our mother doesn't cry anymore. Our efforts are to educate the human beings so that there will be no killing and violence and interference with other animal kingdoms. This education happens through the spirit of meditation. We have taken up meditation to educate every human being so that there will be no more killing, there will be no more violence, there will be no more interference in other life forms, existences. And we are going to continue our work until the last human being also becomes non-violent, non-interfering, non-killing. This is our lifelong commitment with which we have come to this earth planet, all the Pyramid Masters. No more killing of animals, fish and birds. No more violence against them, caging them, putting them in aquariums, curtailing their freedom, interfering with their freedom. We have to treat every animal, every bird, every fish as you treat your own brother and sister, as you treat your own mother and father. As you treat Rama and Krishna, you have to treat every animal, bird and fish. That is our goal. That is the goal towards which PSSM is working. Day and night, night and day. Everybody who joins this effort is welcome and is appreciated by the Mother Earth. Mother Earth wants all its wise children to pull up their resources and to help the mother and relieve the mother of its suffering. Mother Earth is crying. And we are doing our best to see that within another 10 years, the Mother Earth will cease to cry. That is our plan, that is our goal. Within 10 years, there should be no killing, there should be no violence, there should be no interference in other life forms' existences. Every life form is sacred. Every life form is God. Every life form is our mother and father. Every life form is our brother and sister. As the advanced masters of meditation, it is our duty to take care of the world. And we are doing it. We'll continue to do it. Next 3 days, let us commit ourselves to our own goal of creating a suffering-free earth planet. We follow the footsteps of Gautam Buddha. He has shown us the way, and we are following the way. We are exactly doing whatever he has done. We are all replicas of Gautam Buddha. We are all mirror images of that Buddha in this yuga. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು PMC ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and give your experiences for PMC. Record your experiences so that the whole world will know your experiences.